We are going to Bua Thong Waterfall.
It's a sticky waterfall. You can climb up it and
Like sticky rice?
Maybe. We're about to find out. But you can climb up the waterfall. You feel like Spider-Man or Spider-Woman.
This was like 20 minutes from La Cocotier. This place, at the moment, does not cost anything. It's free to go here and visit. There's no entry fee, so that's always nice. They may be charging eventually just because it's becoming really popular.
I think like Unilad or BuzzFeed, one of those guys, made a video about it.
Yeah.
It's bound to blow up.
Is that it?
Yep.
Is it sticky? It doesn't look very sticky. It looks pretty slippery right here.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling. Now who's to blame?
So it looks like there are different levels, and over here it says slippery route.
They're still going down, so maybe this is where the better portion is.
Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you
The
are
sign says beware of falling branches, and right next to it there's like falling tree trunks.
Oh shit, you're right.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder.
It's not really sticky, but it feels more like you're walking on sandpaper. It's very grabby.
It doesn't hurt, but it's so tacky that it's like,
No, it doesn't feel like we're on a waterfall.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful.
this is awesome, isn't it? The temperature is perfect.
So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are. Just
That's
the way
crazy.
you are. Keep
Spider-Man!
This is amazing.
as you are. Just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are. Just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say.
You guys need to come to this place. The water is a perfect temperature. It's just fun climbing around.
And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful.
Sorry about the water
Just the way
spray.
we are. Just the way we are. Oh, just the way you are.
Here it comes. Psych! Like, I'm still nervous. I don't trust it. It's like not natural.
Our tip for you guys is to avoid anything that's like green that looks like it could be moss, because anything that's green is slippery. You want to stay on the stuff that's nice and kind of the off yellow, the egg white color, because that's the nice grippy stuff in your hands. You'll be straight like Spider-Man going up. Isn't this incredible? It's like a theme park, like a waterfall. It really is, just like having fun climbing on stuff.
This is the dream right here.
Yeah, this is awesome. And it's free. You can't beat that.
Got in our way, and
Damn the haters. Count it down.
1, 2, 3.
Soy mak mak. Oh yeah. That was super soy mak mak.
It's been there for like 10 minutes.
I have a new pet.
Yeah, you can
Is it
see
moving?
there's like liquid. It's creating, maybe it's creating a cocoon
Really?
on
Can
your
we?
head.
I don't want it on my cocoon on my head. The waterfall is, there's like 3 different levels, and we're up at the viewpoint. This is where you park, but here's like the first level, and then it goes down and down, and we were down at the base, but apparently you can just follow the waterfall all the way up here.
I want to try to get the juices that's coming
The
out.
juices, oh God.
Don't move.
I've never had butterfly
I'm gonna
juices.
do it.
Is it juicing?
I don't know. I think
Maybe it's laying babies in my head. This is one of the most unique things we've done. So much fun.
it was hard to portray exactly how like it felt.
Well, you feel like you're defying gravity, so it's just fun to
Yeah.
do because you're not supposed to be able to do these kinds of things, like climb straight up a waterfall and not worry about slipping and busting your ass.
Up and down. Down is the worst part.
Yeah, and butterfly is still there. Yep, just chilling, just chilling. He just wanted to be in the vlog.
What is it doing? I want to know.
These troublemakers. Holy sh!
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like the spring in
Florida.
Florida.
Yeah.
Don't throw the coin.
Oh, don't throw coins?
Yeah.
It just looks so fresh.
Don't try the
Oh,
coin.
this is right near the waterfalls.
So this spring, this is the source for Bua Thong Falls. All the water that we were just swimming in on the waterfalls, this is where it all starts. Now that is clean looking water.
Yeah. Oh, Mark wants a spirit water.
Just think it's like how do you call it? Water, spirit water.
Holy water.
Ooh, so is this for good luck?
Yeah.
Come here, Amanda.
Are you gonna bless me? Thank you.
Well, we're gonna need this for good luck on the bike ride home.
And fertility. So maybe she's pregnant
Bit of
now.
water.
Huh?
So you should splash a bit on yourself when you come to.
The spring is over here. It's a holy spring, and right next to it they have these houses. They're spirit houses. They'll leave offerings, so food and drinks for the spirits. We see these a lot, the dragon heads. These are guardians. And over there, I'm not sure if you can tell. Let's get closer. A lot of times you'll see trees with the ribbon around them, and those are holy trees as well. So they kind of represent like a monk. I'm not sure if maybe the translation is a little off there, but it is a holy tree, and they can't cut it down. Don't know what would happen, but it'd be very bad. You're supposed to be respectful when you're in this type of area. That's what Patrick told me. I bet you guys thought we were done after that, but no. One last thing before we head back to Chiang Mai. This gorgeous temple. Where do we start? Look at these dragon elephants. These are the guardians. The dragons here are so cool. This one like starts all the way over there, and then let me show you the head. Hold on. One dragon eating another dragon is what it looks like. Wait a second. Not only is it two dragons, there's another dragon head over here. So it's another dragon eating another dragon eating another dragon. Let's see if there's any more heads. There's the head where we were earlier. It comes all the way back, and it's intertangled with the other dragon that's on the other side of the temple. That is pretty cool. This temple is beautiful. I'm so glad that we stopped here because this was not on the agenda. So Emma pointed out these dragons. There's two, one on each side again. Part elephant, part dragon, part peacock.
Talk another time.
Yes, take care. Thank you so much for everything.
Thanks.
See you guys.
See you. Picture video.
Don't forget the butt squeeze. Bring. Oh yeah, come here, bring it in.
London couple.
See you, Patrick, buddy.
See you, London.
Thank you.
During the session.
Yeah.
That day, and then we don't mind it.
Cheers.
I don't know because we did a longer route.
Cheers.
Work it out.
Wait, I'm gonna look.
Cheers.
This one's
Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers. 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 Cheers.